Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to save Illustrator files as a transparent PNG. Make sure your artwork doesn't have a background layer on it. As you can see, my art is transparent. To export your art as a transparent PNG, go to the File menu, hover over Export and click on Export As. Here select the destination folder for your PNG, rename your file and make sure the file type is selected to PNG. Click on Export button, select your desired resolution and make sure the background color is set to transparent. After that, click on OK and your file is exported as a transparent PNG. There is another way to export your file as a transparent PNG. Go to File menu, go to Export and you can save your image as Save for Web Legacy. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl-Alt-Shift-S for Windows and Command-Option-Shift-S for Mac. From here, make sure the name of file is set to PNG24. Enter your desired width and height. You can take a look on your photo. And after you are satisfied, click on Save button, rename your file and click on Save. And your file is exported as a transparent PNG. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.